hello friends. I hope you all are doing fine and keeping healthy. And the topic that I thought I'll talk to you about today is about siblings and sibling rivalry. Now, this topic touches most of the hearts, at least all those who have had siblings, and all those who, even if they don't have a sibling, they consider somebody close enough, a cousin or a friend, like a sibling. And that is why I say you really need to value this relationship. And the reasons are so many. And what could be the reason? First is it is the earliest and longest lasting relationship. Ever since one of the sibling opens eyes, he has seen the other one. You know, they can happily donate their kidneys to each other but not share a remote with each other. And pure dunya mein, across the world, they are celebrating at least some day for siblings. I think in many countries they have names for it. And क्या रीज़न है इस बॉन्ड की स्ट्रेंथ का? एक तो इमोशनल इंटेंसिटी बहुत है. They are, they have been seeing each other ever since they opened eyes. There is a shared history. There is a shared gene pool also. They know everything about each other, involving their nature, their nurture. They have seen the best and worst of each other, new hairstyles, being shamed, failing, winning, success, failures. It creates a very, very strong bond. They have faced earlier struggles together, they're growing up, their parents, and they are the only people, the siblings, with whom they can comfortably amongst themselves discuss their parents. They may not be able to do it with outsiders, but parents are of common interest and you can talk about angst and worries regarding them, And why do they fight? The research says on an average, siblings fight 8 times in an hour when they are young. And it's a very healthy thing. Again, the research says when the siblings have fight, it is like on-the-job training for the world and life later on. All those who have had heated arguments, fights, squabbles, bickerings with siblings, they have turned out to be more resilient adults and more capable of facing the world, So it trains them for the future. It enhances resilience. They learn to manage emotion. Kitne bhi dukhi ho, they try to gulp their tears. They try to, bring things under control. The problem happens when the sibling rivalry progresses into adulthood and we have done nothing to resolve it. It is very important then we sit and talk it out. Again, the data shows that those who have had strong bonds till their age 20 with siblings, they have less likelihood to face depressions when they are progressing into their 50s. So unresolved problems जो बाद में बाहर जाती हैं, that can be causing a problem. So sibling effect क्या होता है? जो हमारी shared upbringing, battles, secrets, genes, ये हमारे biggest competitor भी होते हैं, biggest teachers भी होते हैं. We learn to fight with them, the first thing, compete with them, and also learn so much from them. They remove our loneliness. They provide practical support. So many times you have run to your sibling for support for a fight outside, a homework, a teacher, whatever it is. So I'd like to share 3 tips with you to support this relationship. पहला चीज तो है give each other permission to change. जैसे आप 4 साल के थे, 10 साल के थे, 12 साल के थे, it's not necessary that as you grow up you'll be the same. You are likely to change, so permit each other to change and accept the changes in each other. Be very careful. Second thing is about the parents, how they impact your dynamics. Don't let parents' prejudices or biases or their playing favorites impact you and your siblings' relationship. Look at each other with pure lenses. And lastly, as you grow up and reach adulthood, make time for each other. Make conscious effort that you spend time with each other because it is one of the most enduring, fulfilling relationship. And people like me who lost their only sibling, they can say with the utmost sincerity that when a sibling goes, he takes or she takes a part of your childhood with them. Your childhood lives in their memories. When they go, a chunk of your past and childhood goes along with that. They are very, very precious. Keep them close and don't lose them. But your sibling rivalry क्या है? First thing is it could be verbal, physical fighting, name calling, tattling, shikayat lagana, bickering, competing for parents' attention, envy. इन सब के रीजंस क्या होते हैं? जैसे कई बार मेजर लाइफ चेंजेस होती हैं, नया घर, नया स्कूल, आपको कोई एग्जाम में फ्रस्ट्रेशंस, बुलिंग, और आप आके सारी फ्रस्ट्रेशन सिबलिंग पे निकाल देते हैं। एजेस एंड स्टेजेस दूसरी चीज होती है। कहते हैं ना, अंडर 4 मैक्सिमम सिबलिंग राइवलरी एग्जिस्ट एंड यू आर वाइंग फॉर पेरेंट्स अटेंशन, और ये हेल्थी भी होती है, डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज है, ना होना बहुत अजीब है। तीसरी चीज हो सकती है जेलसी, उसके पास ये है मेरे पास नहीं है, उसको नया कोच मुझे नया शो, वट एवर इट इज। इंडिविजुअलिटी, आप कंपीट करते हैं, मैं ज़्यादा तेज़ भागता हूँ, आई कैन मेक अ कार बेटर, और आई कैन मेक दीज ब्लॉक्स बेटर, और आई गॉट मोर मार्क्स। दिस जेलसी इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी प्रोमिनेंट। फैमिली डायनामिक्स भी होते हैं कि कई फैमिलीज में एक सिबलिंग शायद वीक हो, बीमार हो, उस पर ज़्यादा अटेंशन हो, तो दूसरा सिबलिंग थोड़ा नेग्लेक्टेड फील करता है। फैमिली डायनामिक्स तो इतने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। कई फैमिलीज में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन का तरीका ही नहीं है। दे डोंट नो कि अगर झगड़ा हो तो उसको कैसे रिजॉल्व करना है, कैसे शांत करना है। दे आर नॉट एबल टू सिट डाउन एंड टॉक टू ईच अदर एंड रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स। बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन करें। और पेरेंट्स को क्या करना चाहिए ऐसे में? उनका रोल इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स की सपोर्ट के बिना ये राइवलरी बढ़ती ही जाएगी, और एडल्टहुड्स में प्रॉपर्टी के लिए हो सकती है, तरह तरह की चीज़ों के लिए हो सकती है। तो पेरेंट्स को किस एक बच्चे को ज़्यादा क्रिटिसाइज या ज़्यादा प्रेज नहीं करना। सो डोंट क्रिटिसाइज वन, प्रेज अदर, टू मच, बैलेंस रखिए। डोंट मेक देम कम्पीट विद ईच अदर, कि एक दूसरे के साथ कुछ कंपटीशन, तूने क्या अच्छा किया, उसने क्या अच्छा करा। नॉट एट ऑल। कंपटीशन इज विद आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, नॉट विद बिटवीन योर चिल्ड्रन और अमंगस्ट योर चिल्ड्रन. Don't pay more attention to one child. And what else parents can do? Avoid taking sides. Encourage mutually beneficial solutions. उनको solution का part बनाइए. Encourage करें कि वो इस problem का solution खुद ढूंढें. So make them a part of the solution. Also set limits like no physical contact, मारेंगे नहीं, या derogatory नाम नहीं लेंगे. Make that also mandatory. Avoid playing favorites, like I said. Empathy सिखाइए. Tell them to put themselves in your siblings' shoes. उसे कैसा फील हो रहा होगा. थोड़ी empathy सिखाएं, थोड़ी हारमोनी फैसिलिटेट करें. दोनों को सेफ स्पेसेस देने की बड़ी ज़रूरत है कि आपको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ी देर जब झगड़ा हो अपनी अपनी स्पेस में रिट्रीट कर जाएं ताकि ठंडा हो जाएं. प्रमोट टीम कल्चर, कुछ इकट्ठा करने को दें, इकट्ठा अकम्प्लिश करने को दें, कोई जॉइंट काम करने को दें. और सबसे बड़ी बात है, हैव फैमिली सिट डाउन्स टू टॉक इट आउट. तो जब तक फैमिली इकट्ठा नहीं बैठेगी, एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करेगी, वो अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स ओपनली डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, ये सिबलिंग राइवलरी खत्म नहीं होगी. बट रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज द प्योरेस्ट एंड बेस्ट रिलेशनशिप, and you will have a great sibling as long as you don't borrow their clothes without permission. So all of you have a great day, and I hope you create a beautiful bond with your siblings.